Is your home screen on your iPhone feeling a little cluttered? If so, you can easily reset your home screen layout to its default settings. In this video, I will show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get your home screen looking clean and organized again. To get started, open up the settings, and then scroll down a little bit and tap on General. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you are on this screen, tap on Reset. And then simply tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. And now all you have to do next is tap on Reset Home Screen. And it will reset your home screen layout to factory default. So it will move your Apple apps on your iPhone to the first page of your home screen. And after that, your third-party apps will be ordered alphabetically in the rest of the home screen pages on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.